What's up, my JadaBoos and baby J's? Welcome back to my channel. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn the post notifications on so you can know when your girl posts. In today's video, I'm gonna get straight into it. I tried a 90s layered hair look. Y'all can see I tried to do like a layered look for this bob wig. I did kind of struggle in the beginning, so y'all will see how I achieved this look. This hair is from MegaLook, and it came in this package, so thank you MegaLook for sponsoring this video. The package that it came in, what comes in the package is so awesome, y'all. Like, I've never got a company that sent out anything that's like I'm gonna use. Like, sometimes they send out, you know, the ball caps or like some really bad lashes, and this company really took their time and just was like thinking about their customers. Comes in the box. First is your hair package Ziploc bag. It also comes with a pair of lashes, and they are cute. Like, they're really cute. They're not dramatic like these, but they're super cute. Here they are. So those are the lashes, and it also came with a bag. I'm giving very much Dora, like very much Lord Farquaad. So what comes in this bag is a headband, and just the bag itself, sis, like I can put, I don't know what I'm gonna put in it, but still, like, you sent me a bag. They sent a headband. Like, this really cute pink and green, giving me very much cotton candy vibes. And it also came with another pair of lashes. Like, is this some type of subscription box? Like, it's giving me subscription box. Like, these are my type of eyelashes. As y'all can see, they're very dramatic. I'm here for it. So it comes with a wig cap, you know, like normal. They gave me a edge brush. I know these are like 99 cents at the hair store, but I wouldn't have to waste my gas to go get one because they came in a box. And then it comes with this really cute hair clip. Really cute. It's purplish, like a purple sequin. So yeah, I really appreciate everything that came in a box. But let's get into the hair. So this is a transparent lace, giving very much what lace. This is their 13x4 transparent lace frontal bob wig in 14 inches. The density, it does not say. Let me go to it, get into it, because this hair is super thick. That's why I do not feel like this is a 150. It's 180 density, y'all, but you know, some bobs be looking skimpy, but this hair is super thick. Like, when I got it out the packet, I was like, oh my god, this wig's gonna be terrible. But once I put the layers in the front, it really gave the girls what's supposed to be gave. Like, I was here for it. But yeah, and the shedding, I did not get shedding. The knots were not pre-plucked at all. Like, I had to pluck a lot of hair. Y'all will see in the video that it was a little bulky before I got it looking like this. I probably bleached it for like 20 minutes, and y'all will see the type of bleach I used. Like, the layers just really added the effect that was needed. Like, I don't know if y'all understanding that. I give this hair 10 out of 10, baby. Like, for real. A pro is that it is super easy. Just put it on. It did have a elastic band on it, but I took it off. Right up in here, it was black, and I didn't like how my lace was looking. The black was showing up through the lace, so I didn't like that, so I cut it off. But if you want to do a glueless method, this is the perfect wig for you. It was super tight. So, but yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this install / customization of this 90s look that I am giving. So right now I am using a hair dye brush just to make sure that I am getting the hair coated well. And since I've been doing it for a long time, I don't use the fork or the knife anymore. So if you are a beginner, I do suggest you use a knife or a fork, just so that you're not getting the hair bleached as well, because you just want to bleach the knots and not the actual hair. I am doing it on my wig head so that I can film this video, but otherwise I would usually put it on the sink counter so that I can get it evenly coated and that it's not getting on the hair. Next, with my plucking method, so basically I have this on my channel of me plucking my hair. So I'm using the Arrogante method. So basically I just pull some hair from the front, plucking it, and then I do the same to the behind piece. It's really difficult to explain, but I hope you get the gist by just watching the video. As you can see right here, I did take the band off at the back of the wig. I just didn't like how it was coming through my wig. You can keep that on if you want to do a glueless method, but I did take that off and you will see that the lace looked a lot better. You also don't want to stay in one spot. You want to keep moving so that you don't cause a bald spot. Just keep moving around the hairline. So basically this is how it looks when I am done plucking. I don't over pluck because I do tend to pluck it on my head. And I just do the other side the exact same way. And like I said, I don't use the ball cap method because it's too complicated. This method has been working for me for a long time. Without the ball cap method, it doesn't take my edges out because after I take my wigs off, I do a deep cleanse on my hair, and I also do this oil treatment on it so that my edges won't be gone, y'all.